everybody. Again, it's carbon fiber all the way through. No double-sided tape, no fiberglass. And just watch how easy it installs. Just place it right over the stalk and push down. Fits perfect. And it looks perfect. Look at that. With a windshield, with a steering wheel accents, or the dashboard, it looks awesome. Okay, and now for the driver's stalk. Notice everything is printed in exactly the same place. And this is only for Model 3 and Model Y. Just put it right over. Here's a side view and push down. Locks perfectly secure. Looks perfect in place. And now your view is this through your steering wheel. If you love carbon fiber, it's definitely beautiful and worth it. Only available now in glossy, because glossy is so deep and three-dimensional. If you want matte, let us know. We'll make some in matte. We're also doing a red that's not on the website yet.